Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy, messy curly bun updo in under 5 minutes. I've started with wavy hair, but you can do this on straight hair as well. And we're just going to pop all of the hair into a ponytail just above the ears. I've left a couple of bits out to frame the face. Next, I'm applying spray wax all over the top and sides of the head to control flyaways. And then I'm using my fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair to create a little bit more volume and texture. Next, I'm going to add some texture spray to that ponytail. I'll pop the ones I'm using in the description below. Then we're going to take a large chunk of hair and twist it all in one direction loosely. Then we're just going to grab a little section of hair with your left hand and push the rest of the hair up that strand. Flip it over till it reaches the head and secure with a couple of bobby pins. Grab another section of hair, twist it loosely in one direction. You can see this a little bit better in this clip, so grab a few hairs with your left hand and use your right hand to push it all the way up to the head. Then just roll it up until it meets the head and secure in place. And it really is that simple. We're just going to keep taking sections of that ponytail, twisting it in one direction, grabbing a few hairs with your left hand and pushing it up the strand with your right hand. When you're securing this to the head, make sure that you try and make this into a nice round bun shape. And with this section here, I'm going to do the same steps. So twist it and push it up the strand. But this time I'm going to lay it on top in the middle just to give the bun some height. And it really is that easy. We're going to keep taking small sections of the ponytail, twisting it up and pinning it to the head to create your bun. If you're new to my channel or keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, so I'm working on my last two sections for the bottom of the bun. I like to tuck my ends underneath so you can't see them and secure it to the head. And I'm just going to use that last section to fill in the bottom of the bun and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.